Full moon is a very special time to clear and release old, negative, stagnant energy, and you can do the same in this full moon also. So, during this full moon, set your intention, release and clear anything that is negative, like negative habits, negative thought patterns, distractions, disempowering mindset, anything that is not of love and light and causing blockages in your manifestation. So release all those negative and clear your space, clear your energy. Then align with your higher timeline. To do that, you can follow the affirmation that I already have shared in the video yesterday. Repeat that affirmation over and over again during your meditation and tap into your higher timeline. During this time, trust your intuition. Follow what your gut feeling is saying you. Once you enter your higher timeline, it will become very easier for you to manifest and to visualize. So, with all your feelings, visualize yourself living your dream life with all your desires and doing the thing you love to do. And if you cannot visualize, then feel the same feeling, like how it would be like to have all your desires with you, how it would be like to live that life of your dream, and how it will make you feel when you are doing the thing you love to do. Then sit in silence, do meditation, go within and be still. Try to observe your thoughts and focus on your breathing. Breathe consciously, be conscious about your thoughts and your breathing. Just be still, focus on your breathing and invite love and light into your life and your whole being. While breathing out, release any kind of old energy, and while breathing in, invite love, loving energy and light of the universe. Then welcome this beautiful new energy with love, with gratitude and with faith. Switch any kind of negative thoughts to a positive one. Acknowledge your negative thoughts and send them love and light. Be present in the moment, in the here and now, and align with the divine energy with pure intention. So this full moon, just bring all the love and light of the universe into your being and release anything that is not serving you and your highest good with pure intention, love and faith in the universe, and be grateful.